Hey guys, Technometro with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the ringer on the latest iOS version if your ringer is turned off, and on the new iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max, which now has a new action button. So let's talk about the new iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max, which has the action button. What do you need to know? Well, first thing is to ensure that your ringer is turned on is that if this action button, if you click on it and press and hold and it says silent like that, that means your ringer will not work. So you need to press and hold until it says ring here. Now that's going to be if you have the 15 Pro or the 15 Pro Max. But if you have any other models, right, that actually has that toggle on for the silent button, you need to ensure that it's pointing upward. So make sure you push it upward and it doesn't have that orange look. That means the ringer is turned on. And to show you, if it's like this, ringer mode, silent mode is on. So I'm going to press it on where it says silent mode off. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you need to also ensure on your iPhone setting here, right, is go into your settings, and then you want to go to sounds and haptics. You want to click on that. And then where it says ringer tone and alert, you need to ensure this is turned up. So if it's here, it's not going to ring. You need to ensure that that slider is to your appropriate level of the ringer that you like. So that's going to be important that you have that ringer. And then you can also, of course, change the ringtone if you like. And the other thing is where it says change with button. If you turn this on, you can now control your ringer with these buttons instead of just the volume of playing videos and such on your iPhone. So that's if you like to have the ability to change the ringer with the volume up and down, because by default these buttons are for only playback videos, not the ringtone itself. So that's going to be one thing to check. Similarly, this is on iOS 17. If you go on an older version, sounds and haptic, it might look slightly different, but the key thing here again, making sure that ringer volume is turned up. And if you like the ability to change the sounds of the ringer based on these volume up and down button, you just have to turn this toggle on, and then after that everything else should be the same. So that's how you turn on your ringer on the latest version of the iOS in the new iPhone 15 lineup. I hope this video was helpful. So please make the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.